Blow me down! Hey, what the fuck?
Bitches. Hey Rob, does Kendra know you don't have a dick?
Yep.
Maybe that's why she's dating Jamie instead of you.
Horsey. Where the fuck are you going, Rocky Balboa?
Easy.
Easy, fella, easy.
You like pie? Come here.
Okay, Thursday we should go to East Northgate or Kingsway.
We'll go to
No good places to see.
I know, we'll go to Kingsway. I'm skipping Thursday.
Kingsway is good American Eagle with no cameras.
No, Friday, because I don't work Friday.
No, Thursday.
No, I go Monday, because there's no school. I'm going to West End! With Johnny. Want to come? Come early in the morning. Remember last time?
Friday, hey, Friday after my appointment, I'll get Normal's truck, we'll all go.
I like that nice conversation we had with that lady at the belt buckle store.
Hey, this guy. We went to John's house.
John who?
Your cousin John?
You went in his fucking house?
No, listen. We went to his house, right, at like 7 in the morning, because we were going to go to West Ed that day.
Yeah.
We go and ring the doorbell. It didn't work. He's still in bed. Try calling his phone. His phone ended up getting disconnected. So we started throwing snowballs. At his window. Yeah. He comes and looks out the window. He's just staring at us point blank like, who the fuck are you? I was like, you know what's a good idea? Letting us the fuck in because I'm cold. And he opens the door. He's like, hey boys, you guys want some pancakes or something? And Kyle, he was staring at the coffee mug the whole time. He wanted coffee. Horsey. Fuck, here's your fucking horse cock right here. Fucking shit.
Is it a picture or something? No, it's actually your mom with her fucking legs open.
I'm gonna get this car because it's stupid. Out. Wait, say that again?
No.
What'd you say?
No.
What time you out of school?
Your mother.
You want my hot chocolate?
You know what he said? No, he says 3.
Tree?
3.
Okay, I kick it out of your hand.
Yeah, let's watch this, a punt.
Hold on, hang it down.
Back the fuck up.
Don't kick my hand.
Oh! And cheers to you, bitch. Fucking cocky chocolate. No, this one. He says 3.
Hey, battery. Batteries.
Battery. Like he's saying bat.
My battery's back, by the way. Seriously.
And that's right, says bathroom.
Yo, give me a...
Oh, he looks fucked, man. Keep going.
She's like a fucking elf slash crab. No, that other chick. Fuck, what's her name?
Andrea?
With the messed up fucking face.
That ain't Desiree. No.
Oh, the other chick.
Hey, fuck, did
Oh,
you change
Brittany.
your YouTube password?
No.
Oh, I can't get on
You
it
fucking
anymore.
created a new account.
Yeah, so?
Fucking, what's it called? Big Sucker 2?
Monster
Monster
Sucker.
Sucker 2.
I know I couldn't get on.
It's because I made it...
I was typing in your next opening.
You idiot! It's because I made it one, make it over $18 so I can see what the fucking porn's like on there.
Yeah, there's no porn.
There's no
You go to youporn.com.
No, youjizz.com! It's actually full-length DVD video!
Oh!
Oh yeah, YouTube.
You don't have to tell me that.
Hey Kyle, let's walk carefully now.
Fuck you. I'm not on a bike.
Yeah, hey,
Hey, where the fuck is my money for that?
your money.
Yeah.
I get a bucket off
For what?
They stole my candy.
What candy? Hey, you charged me too.
Yeah!
He was up there longer than we were playing on the computer. Yeah, I didn't leave him up there, you idiot.
Yeah, it was Lee. I remember.
No, I had it.
Flashing fucking
I
light.
remember it was Lee.
Because we was up. You weren't even there. You both told me $5 for everything, you know, with me. Once again, they couldn't pay up.
Okay boys, we're at the fucking headquarters and we're going in for the big dirty. We'll see you later.